Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. I am Vishali Kikan and we are discussing the VLSI technology. In that we are discussing the oxidation process. We have already seen the various phenomena associated with the oxidation process. Now today in this video we are coming towards the end of the playlist and now we are discussing about the measurements of the oxidation. So you must watch all of the previous videos if you have still not watched them. Now coming to the oxide measurement, what all things we want to measure? We want to measure the thickness, uniformity, gate oxide level, the breakdown voltage. We can measure it using the color chart, ellipsometry, reflectrometry, CV characteristics. So first of all we will be discussing about the ellipsometry. In the ellipsometry we have the substrate. Over the substrate we have the oxide layer. The substrate has the constant, the reflection coefficients N2 and K2, and the oxide layer is having an additional parameter, that is thickness, that we want to measure. So if I fall a linearly polarized incident light on this oxide layer, this light will be reflected from the surface, but after reflection it will be converting into the elliptically polarized reflected light. And the amount of conversion of linear polarized light into elliptical polarized light depends upon the thickness of the oxide layer. So this is how we can measure easily the oxide layer, by measuring how much elliptical nature of this polarized light is having. Now coming to the reflectrometry. Okay, we know the incident light when fall on this surface, it will be reflected. Okay, but some of the light will go inside this SiO2 layer with the help of refraction process, and from the surface it will be reflected. The SiO2 layer is a transparent layer. Okay, and this is the reason it is going inside. Like in the glass, the light is moving in like the same manner, it is moving inside the dielectric film. Okay, so if I want to measure the thickness, I will be understanding what is the distance between these two light waves. The one that is reflected on the surface of the dielectric film, and the second which is refracted inside, and then it is reflected from the substrate, and again it is refracted outside. So now I want to measure this distance between the light 1 and 2, and it will be giving me the measurement of the thickness of the dielectric film. And this is how I can measure the thickness through the process of reflectrometry. I hope you understood this process. Now coming to the CV test configuration. Here we are finding out the capacitance values for the particular voltage value. Okay, here we are supplying the voltage over here and we are measuring the capacitance using the capacitance meter or the capacitor meter. So this is the silicon substrate. Over that we have the oxide layer, we are putting an aluminium surface over it, and here we are having the heaters which are placed downside the metal platform. Okay, so now here this capacitor meter will be giving me the value of capacitance for the particular voltage over here. This capacitance value will differ for the different oxides. Okay, so this is how I can measure various characteristics associated with the dielectric film with the help of capacitance value. I can measure the leakage current as well, and this is how I understand the various oxidation measurements. So now coming to the summary of the oxidation, we have understood how the oxidation will happen in the case of silicon, how it will be giving us high stability, and how it is relatively easy to get. We just require silicon and the oxygen gas, and how we are using it, various applications associated with it like isolation, masking, pad oxide, barrier oxide, gate oxide, etc. We discussed two types of oxidation, wet and dry oxidation. So we require more dry processes for advanced IC chips because we require very controlled oxide layer. Then we discussed rapid thermal oxidation and annealing for ultra thin gate oxide. So I hope you understood all of these things. If you want to discuss this topic in detail, you can refer these books. These are amazing books. So I hope you like this video. If you have any query, you can put the doubt in the comment and I will be trying to resolve your doubt as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. If you like it, you can push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also do share it with your friends. Thank you so much.